The reason why you put this on here is when somebody call you and say, how old are you? How old are you?
I'm 11.
I'm 11. Like, I seen some designs. You're 11, and I'm ready to do some work. Pay me. They should be paying you to do these flyers. That's why I wanted you to do it, to copy it so you can see how to organize the text, and how to lay it out, so it'll turn into muscle memory. What's muscle memory?
Really?
If you do it for a long time,
Right. Let me hurry up and do this last one.
you get used to doing it. You don't have to think about it.
Look at what time it is.
The reason why I'm good is because I've been
It's
doing
only
it for
6,
so long.
6:33.
Okay?
Exactly.
So the longer you do,
Exactly.
the more hours you do, the
6:30.
better you are.
Look
what it is,
how it look
homework,
outside.
basketball,
You need to
football, designing, whatever it is,
Which one gets
you gotta
snatched? You can
put
get
in the
snatched.
hours, okay? That's how you're gonna beat
Y'all
your
having a
competition,
Halloween party?
alright?
No.
That's how you can
It's
raise your
just
price,
for-
okay? The world don't know how good you are, how special you are. Your friends might know, your parents might know, but nobody knows how good, how cool Lewis is unless he's showing. So that's what you're showing stuff for. You're showing like, look what I did, look what I could do. So this is your adding value, right? You got certain stuff is more valuable than others, right? It's worth more, right? So the more you know, the more you're worth. That make sense? It's almost winter break. Signing off. I'm at Walton. The battery's dead. My man Lewis came and crushed it today. Dominated the class. That's what's up. Signing off. Peace.